In a quiet village, surrounded by rolling hills, lived a young boy named Ravi. He was the kind of child who wanted everything now. Answers, rewards, results. If he planted a flower, he wanted it to bloom by morning. If he started a book, he wanted to reach the end without reading the middle. One day, he wandered past the garden of an old man named Elias. The villagers called Elias the silent gardener. His garden was unlike anything Ravi had ever seen. Vibrant flowers, towering sunflowers, and the sweetest strawberries hanging like rubies in the sun. Ravi asked, "How do you grow such a garden?" Elias smiled and handed Ravi a small, wrinkled seed. "This is a very special seed," he said, "but it only grows through patience. Plant it, care for it, and wait." Ravi's eyes lit up. He rushed home, planted the seed in a clay pot, and watered it generously. That night, he checked the soil twice. Nothing. The next day, still bare. A week after that, only dirt. He grew restless. "Maybe I did something wrong," he thought. He pulled the pot out, shifted the soil, and even tried putting in more water than needed. But the seed remained hidden. He went back to Elias. "The seed isn't working," he complained. "It's been 2 weeks." Elias looked at him and said softly, "You are not growing a plant, Ravi. You are growing patience." Ravi didn't understand, but something in Elias's calm tone stayed with him. So Ravi brought the pot back, placed it on the windowsill, and decided to stop checking it every hour. He began a quiet routine. Each morning he would water it just enough. Each evening he would place the pot under the setting sun, and then he would walk away. Days turned into weeks. Still no sprout. But Ravi had changed. He had stopped rushing. Instead of staring at the pot, he now read books, helped his mother, and walked in nature. He no longer saw the seed as a race to win, but a quiet companion. Then one morning, nearly 6 weeks later, he walked past the windowsill and froze. A tiny green shoot had broken through the soil, reaching upward. His heart swelled. The joy wasn't just from seeing it grow, but from knowing he had waited for it, earned it. Months later, the plant grew into a stunning flower with petals of deep gold and red, a bloom the village had never seen before. People came to admire it, but what they truly noticed was Ravi himself, calmer, stronger, more thoughtful. Elias visited him again and said, "Remember, Ravi, the seed was never ordinary, but neither was the lesson it carried. Because in the end, what blooms with patience grows deep and strong, and what comes too fast often fades just as quickly."